In mechanical keyboards, uniqueness can be scarce, and recent gasket-mounted kits have all started to blur together. Today, we'll look at one board that stands apart. I'm Cappuccino, and this is the all-glass Freja65. Sticking with their Norse theme, the Freja is the newest board from Helheim Studios and successor to the Balder 60. It's made of 5 pieces of low iron glass melted together to form a single piece case. The board is O-ring mounted and offered in both clear or frosted versions with the Ouroboros logo in contrasting finish on the rear of the case. Both versions showcase RGB beautifully. In the box we have our silicone rivets that support the PCB assembly. The kit comes with a choice of an aluminum, palm, or polycarbonate plate. Plates support both 6.25 and 7U bottom row and split backspace. Unfortunately, there are no plate cutouts around the spacebar and backspace stabs to support screw-in stabilizers, but the kit does include a set of cherry clip-ins. We also get both 30A and 50A O-rings. Unfortunately, the kit is only offered with a solder PCB, but I'm not confident hot swap would work well given the tight fit in the case. This PCB does have some beautiful artwork here on the underside. We also get a little microfiber cloth to clean the glass case, which is a nice touch. For this build I use TX stabilizers lubed with 205 and BDZ, and I'll be using some lubed flower shadow switches. These are a 50 gram linear with a super smooth full LY construction. Enjoy the build. I'm pretty happy with the way this build turned out. I think the translucent keycaps pair great with the unique, clear glass case. I did unfortunately notice some interference with the spacebar catching on the lip of the case, an issue that I've heard about from a few different users. I did find that different combinations of spacebar keycap and position of the PCB assembly relieve this issue, but sometimes I had to really skew the PCB like you can see here. The finish on the glass panels is good, and it diffuses light very nicely. The large USB cutout looks rough, but allows for flex and PCB compatibility. I also noticed some of the glass seams weren't the cleanest, but that's nitpicking my unit. The sound and feel are typical of an O-ring mount, and I didn't find much change in sound from the glass case, except for around some of the edges. Apologies for the scuffed sound in this video, and remember, sound varies compared to in person. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do let me know your thoughts and suggestions in the comments.